Guys, Tim here. I'm with my cousin Zach, and this he's in an emergency situation. He's got a 1,600-pound Volkswagen-sized Grizzly coming right at him. So what's he do? He had a 9mm and a 40 cal pistol, and he dropped both of them. He had a 410 and he dropped that. What's he gonna do? He's got all this ammo, but it doesn't match his 12-gauge shotgun. So here he goes. He's got a barrel reducer with a 22 in it, and he's gonna pop that bear. Okay, now that he's pissed off that grizzly bear with the 22, he's going to step it up to a 9mm.
Okay, this is actually pretty sick. Not going to lie.
Okay, now the bear is thoroughly peeved because the 9mm is just enough to get his attention and really piss him off. So now he stepped it up to a 40 cal. That just barely kind of ticked him off a little bit more. So now the bear's really not happy. So he's got a 410, and this will shoot a 45 Colt and a 45 automatic too. But we're gonna go with the 410. Oh man, uh-oh. Now the bear's got one eye out. He can't see where he's going, and he's even more pissed. But whenever those fail, go with a 44 Magnum.
Yeah, this better put this bear down.
Oh, that had some more kick to it, but that's still not enough to drop a 1,600-pound Volkswagen-sized Grizzly. So I better give him a last chance 54 cal pistol to drop him with.
There goes nothing.
Uh-oh.
I'm dead. We're slow.
Yeah.
Very cool. All right, it's gonna be loud.
There we go.
That's a big boy.
Woo!
Jack,
Okay.
did that wake you up?
Okay, the bear's dead. Yeah.
Pirates trying to get
Not fireball. Oh my god.
All right, questions, comments?
The bear's dead now. Okay, it killed me two times out of three, but that third time I got
Oh,
him.
I love that smell.